Greetings to you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Martin Mashega. Welcome back to Shexa's YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at how to install Scilab on our cluster. So I'm going to show you an installation that I've already done, and we start afresh with a new installation. So we have to open our virtual machines, right? So let's just let me just close this file, right? So in here, what we are supposed to do is, the first thing is, since we have static IP addresses for our machines, we do not have internet access, so we can open the browser, and then on the browser you can download Scilab. So you can say Scilab 5.5, it's 5.5, yeah, 0.2 something. You download this, and then after you've downloaded it, I have it downloaded, you can go to it, and then maybe you can share a folder. To share a folder, you open this, you go to settings, VM settings, or you can right click your VM, then you go to options, you enable this shared folders, always enable. Here you choose the path, you can see properties and browse to the path that you want to the path of the folder that you want to share, and then click OK. But I already have that, so I don't need to do that. So once you're done with that, you copy the file that you've downloaded, which is Scilab. This one, you right click and copy, and then you go to the file folder that you've shared, virtual machines, and this is the shared folder. You paste it there like I did. Then once that is done, we can come in here and I want to do this installation in the management mode. So let's SSA, or let's just exit, right? We get to management, right? So in here, what I've done is I've created a folder in MNT NS share. In the shared folder, I've created a folder called just called Scilab. So in there, I then pasted, I then copied, I said CP from MNT. So to see the shared folder, you say MNT, then this HGFS, that's where the shared folder will exist, and then that's the shared folder, and then Scilab, you get your Scilab there. So you can list what is in that, and you find that this is the file that we have shared with the hosting machine, right? So we have that. Having that, we copy that. We just have to change and say copy this as Scilab to the MNT NFS share, and then Scilab directory. You copy that to that. Once you're done copying that, you can now unzip it using TAR XZVF, then Scilab version Scilab.bin tar, and then after unzipping it, then you can now have access to it through getting into CD. After unzipping it, you have that folder, this one, and this folder that you have if you get into that 5, just say Scilab, that you can now say ./bin, then Scilab, and then you can open Scilab from that side. So Scilab must open. This is Scilab, and you can now type in any command. You can say xcos. You've opened another application that is used to do some simulations. You can do your simulations, but as of today we don't want to do any simulations. Then you close that, right? But we want to run the command Scilab like this, and then you have the same application open like this. So to do so, what you do is you open this bashrc file, and then you add this path, this line of code. Once you are done adding this file, you exit 7 quit. Once done, you reload by saying source that again bashrc. Then you are done. Then from there you can now write Scilab and start to run it, and the application is supposed to open like that. Right, so that's Scilab installed. Let's now get to other nodes. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, in here what we need to do is to open rc bashrc, because we already have the Scilab application installed in the shared folder. So you have to copy this path, you have to add this path, escape, right in page, and then what you need is to source, and then to that /bashrc reload. Now you are supposed to open Scilab. But however, it's showing it error retrieving current directory get cwd, cannot access current directories, no such file directory. Alright, let's cd, and then let's just say Scilab. Alright, it's saying error, unable to open display. Could not create a Scilab main class, error, exception in thread main language, that. Okay, anyway, which node is this one? It's saying this, and it's saying, why is it saying it's in management here? Okay, let's just say exit. Let's exit up until the terminal is closed. Version 2. This is compute 1, right? Let's try to open Scilab. It's not found, right? So vi that /bashrc. Right, we have this. So I don't know what's happening. Let's try it. Is this? That's correct. vi /.bash rc. Yes. So in here we don't have the path specified. So in there we don't have the path specified. So press I so that we add the path in that file. So the path, so it could go down, insert, we go down to the bottom of the file, and then we try, or we can just edit there. We say export path is equal to $path, which is /mnt/nfs/Scilab like that /Scilab -5.5.2 /bin. Right, so that's it right in page. Right, we now source that to reload it. Right, enter. So we can try to say Scilab, and you must have our Scilab opening. So this is the client node that is now having access to Scilab, the one that we have installed from management node. So if we go to management node, if we just say Scilab, it's going to open as well. Right. So this Scilab is now accessible from every node. So we go again to that node, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. And then you say Ctrl+Shift+T. This here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, let's try Scilab in here. It's not found. VI .bash rc. Right, so we need to add the path. In there, insert, enter, export. Path is equals to $path, which is mnt nfs Scilab 5.5.2, then bin, escape, then colon and right and quit. Right. So now if we try to run Scilab, okay, we didn't source. To reload this, source and run Scilab, it's now opening. Right, it's now opening. Right, so we now have access to Scilab from each and every node. You now have access to Scilab from each and every node. Right, so this is Scilab 5.2, but the latest version, I think it's 6 point something, which is the one that I'm downloading here. However, it's taking some time to complete downloading. So let's do the installation of that in one of the upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much for being here with me for this short period of time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Goodbye. Enjoy whatever that you are going to do next.